I'm Smithy, this is a Kentucky. I've been having some fun on TV with Ricky Gervais, just watching him. So if you're getting bored, try this, right? You've got to say, book it, but you've got to do it like, rock it. Have fun in life, that's what it's all about. So somebody sent me a message and I forget his name now, I'll tell you. So he sent me a message and we're all going to go through this, right? And somebody's going to knock on your door and say, are you selling your van? No, I'm not selling my van. And then a few days later somebody else will come and ask you if you're selling your van. We've all had it, I've had it, a lot of other people will have it, and some of them, is it David, man? I'll just have a look. It's David. Yeah, so David gave me permission to use his picture. So this is what David has put on his, so I'll show you the photograph. So that's what... Testing. Sorry about that, the battery went. Oh, I bought two new ones and I thought I'd charge them both, but I only charged one of it anyway. The one I put in was obviously a new one that wasn't charged. Anyway, so we're all going to go through this, aren't we? Somebody's knocking on your door. How much is your van? And I've got the sound there, by the way. So obviously that's what David's put on his van. What I say is people knock on the door, wherever I am, or even if I'm sat in the van or I'm cleaning it, or I've had people walk up to me, oh yeah, is it for sale? No, it's not for sale. I always tell them it's not mine, it's my son's, he's at work, he's a policeman. Do you want me to get into it? Oh no, it's fine, and they walk off. Just tell them that. So that's how you get rid of somebody that's interested in buying your van. They're not interested in buying your van, they're just checking you out to see what you're like. And I'll leave that to your own imagination. Do you like the Boris haircut? I'm going to call it the Boris haircut from now on, because either I've got to cut my hair or Sue's got to cut my hair, and it's, what can you do? Anyway, so yeah, we're all going to go through that. Somebody's going to come up to you and say, are you selling your van, how much is it, and all this other rubbish, and get rid of them the best way you can. And that's what I say. I say, it's not mine, it's my oldest son's, he's a policeman, he's at work, I'm pretty certain he's not selling it, and they don't come again. And that's how it works. And so anyway, David's bought that, and hopefully it works. So what's, you know, it's just one of them, and you've got to put up with the rough with the smooth. He's singing with earphones in. I like that in people. You used to get the odd workman, didn't you, years ago? You don't hear anybody whistling anymore, do you? Anyway. I just wanted to entertain you really, but yeah, I wanted to show you David's photograph and give you a few ideas and tell you about what to do about your van. But hey, life is for having fun and enjoying, and you know, that's what I wanted to do. I'm Smithy, stay safe, be lucky, and I'll bring you some more entertainment as soon as I can think of something. See you soon.